Hey y'all, Edward Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 40712 Lego Icons Micro Rocket Launchpad. This was a gift with purchase, and I'm really looking forward to putting this together. It's very reminiscent of the classic space sets, just down in micro scale, even down to the minifigures. There are two of them in here, two astronauts, but done in like the baby minifigure scale. So that's how scaled down this set is. There's one in white and there's one in blue somewhere in the set. I think it's up here in the spaceship. 325 parts, and I'm looking forward to putting this together. Be a nice little addition to my shelf. So let's get to it. welcome to my review of the Micro Rocket Launchpad Icons GWP. And it's exactly what the box describes. They're microscale space designs. And we'll start off with this one, the rocket. It's really cool. Like the microscale, really puts it in perspective. Using the common bricks and like the cone pieces and everything to, create the rocket and the gantry, this part right here. Really nice. We got some sticker. There's only 5 in this set. This is one of them right here. You get the classic space logo right here at the base of the rocket. We got another one on the little rocket ship right here. This cheese wedge piece right here. And we got, another one right here actually. So there's space logo right there. All the vehicles and everything that's in this are well designed. It's got full of those bright blue and the trans yellow pieces, which were just, synonymous with the classic space line. Just shrunk down to microscale, including the minifigures. We got 2 of these classic astronauts, but in microscale form. There's one in white and an identical one in blue right there. They are really cute. I think they are used sometimes as the baby figures in some sets. I know city sets have some of those like little baby figures. This has just been dressed up as an astronaut. Really cool. This vehicle right here, which was about half of the build right here. It took about half the build to build this. Really cool. The wheel mechanisms, and it's supposed to be like, I guess, an all-terrain, so it can go over all sorts of, uneven terrain. Really cool design. We got some hinge parts right here that, for play features or display ability. Really cool. Minor thing about this build, and this is a personal quirk of mine. In the instructions, stages 3 and 4 are built concurrently. You actually open both of those at the same time. I'm a little old school. I personally am not a fan of opening multiple build stages at once. If they had wanted it that way, they should have just made one large stage 3. That's my opinion. That's just a personal quirk of mine. I'm not gonna hate anybody else who likes that one. So, don't come at me in the comments for that one. But it's a personal thing of mine. I know that they've started doing it recently, especially with some larger sets. I know the Venator had some of those where they're doubled up. I know my wife has done some of the Botanicals where it was doubled up. Like most recently did the Poinsettia, where it had a doubled up build stage, 2 at once. But it in the end, the set are put together pretty well. Despite that one little thing that I don't personally like, but that's okay. So that brings me to the end of the review. So thank you for watching and following along. If you like what you've seen, please give me a like and a subscribe if you want to see more Lego content. Please also consider following me on my other socials, TikTok and Instagram, both of which are linked in the description below. And that'll take care of it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.